I paid just $8 for this old fan motor. It weighs 8.5 kilograms. But the real question is, how much value is actually hiding inside? Today we're tearing it down piece by piece to see if this scrap motor can make a profit. Let's get started. Today, we're tearing down an old ceiling fan motor. Before starting the teardown, we placed the complete fan motor on the scale. The total starting weight came in at 8.5 kilograms. I purchased this fan motor for just $8, making it an interesting scrap investment from the start. Let's begin the teardown. The first step is removing the outer housing and fan components. These parts are designed to protect the motor and help create airflow when the fan is operating. Once the outer shell is removed, we can access the internal motor assembly and begin separating the materials. Now we're getting closer to the heart of the motor. A ceiling fan motor works by converting electrical energy into mechanical motion. Inside the motor, several components work together to make this happen. The stator creates a magnetic field, while the rotor spins inside that field to generate rotation. Bearings support the shaft and allow smooth movement, while the housing keeps everything aligned and protected. As we continue dismantling the motor, different materials begin to appear. This is where the real value of a scrap teardown starts to reveal itself. The iron components make up a significant portion of the motor's weight. Iron isn't the highest paying scrap metal, but because it is heavy, it still contributes to the overall return. Next, we separate the aluminum parts. Aluminum is much lighter than iron, but generally offers a better value per kilogram. Proper sorting is important because clean aluminum usually sells for a better price than mixed materials. Piece by piece, the motor is completely dismantled and all recyclable materials are separated into individual piles. This process takes time, but it allows us to maximize the value of every recoverable component. Now it's time for the final results. After weighing and sorting everything, we recovered approximately 2.5 kilograms of aluminum and 5 kilograms of iron. The aluminum was valued at $3 per kilogram, giving us a total of $7.50 worth of aluminum. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy scrap teardowns, recycling projects, metal recovery, and profit analysis videos, don't forget to subscribe for more content. See you in the next teardown.